It is better to lose with a wise man than to win with a fool. This quote comes from the Yiddish. It's a Yiddish proverb. What does it mean? It means that it is better to do the right thing even if you are alone. Or it is better to do the right thing even if other people think you're on the wrong side. Many times we hope to go for the winning side. We change our mind. Even in families, somebody who is doing good financially always take the win of every discussion. The one who does not have money, even if the person is right, loses. Even in politics and even in churches. People want to win at all cost, even if their winning is wrong. An example is wanting to get rich at all cost. An investor who thinks to invest so that becomes a very rich person, not caring any other thing. The person may end up exploiting the bad side of nature, maybe destroying the environment, or maybe forced labor and underpayment. And at the end, the person is the richest person. But what about the other investor who accepts to get the little profit while conserving the environment, conserving human rights? At the end of it all, the person has lost because the other person is richer. But also on the other hand, he's a wise person because he has done the right thing. That is what the Yiddish proverb meant. Thank you.
If you look into the distance, there's a house upon the hill, guided like a lighthouse. It's a place where you'll be safe to